Hi Just-in-Time Solutions fans, it's Rebecca, and I have a moving tip for you. One of the things that we really truly love in some of our quick turnaround moves are reusable plastic totes. These aren't the totes that you get from the big box stores. These are totes that are specifically used for moving. Our trusted moving company, Two Small Men with Big Hearts, have these reusable totes. And what happens is you can rent them for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. What happens? They bring them over, drop them off. Either you can fill them up and pack them, or we can fill them up and pack them for you. And then they move them and leave them for you to unpack. One of the reasons we love it is because exactly that. You have to unpack them. How many times has you made a move and you're still got boxed up stuff under the stairs? As professional organizers, that is not what we want to see or hear. So when you're using these reusable flip totes, it forces you to unpack. That's something that we like to see. Now, if you're not interested in renting these reusable flip totes, the other thing that we've come across is a company called J&B Recycling. They're just on Cabell Street in London. They actually recycle boxes from other companies, so you can go in there and buy cardboard boxes at a cheaper price. We think they're definitely a good deal, and they're something that you can think about. But if you have any more comments about moving, or you have some questions or a tip of your own, give us a call, drop us a line. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for tip number 2.